Hello, welcome back to this tutorial video. So now I will tell you about branching for module 3, but before that I will tell you about Boolean operation first. Okay, Boolean operation is logical operation that will produce true or false. So on your screen there are a Boolean operator example. In this example, there are two operands for comparison. Okay, first OR operator. For OR operator, if one of them have true value, so A or B will true. Okay, next for AND operator. For AND operator, if both are true, so A and B will true. But if A true and B false, so A and B will false. Okay, next for exclusive OR. If both are have same value, so A exclusive OR B will false. But if both are have different value, so A exclusive OR B will true. Okay, after that, on your computer screen there are another example for Boolean operator like equal to, after that not equal to, less than, greater than. Okay, now we'll tell you about branching. There are two methods for branching. There are if-else and switch case. For if-else, action will be run while the condition is true. Then there is example for one action in if-else. This is a positive or negative number program. So for if condition in here, you can write b less than 0. Okay, because b is variable of input number, less than 0, that's mean negative number. So else a positive number. We can run this program. Input number example negative 9. Because negative 9 less than 0, so negative 9 is negative number. We can try another number. Input number example 76. Enter. 76 is positive number because for condition negative number is less than 0, so for 76 is greater than 0, so positive number. Okay, next there is two action programs about login program. So which distinguishes with one action. In two action, we should use curly bracket. Two action for if and two action for else. Okay, like this. Okay, in here there are declaration for string in C program like this: user 50 code 50. Okay, for input the string we cannot use scanf, but we should use gets. You can write like this. Okay, gets user gets code. Okay, in here we have set the username and password. For username cool and password unique 143 with uppercase. Okay, so now we will compare the string, so we should use strcmp. Okay, over here and over here, strcmp for username and for password equal to 0, and this is an operator. So if both is true, this program will output nice job and go to menu, else login is failed and home. Okay, we will try this program. Username uppercase cool, password unique 143. Okay, nice job, go to menu. Okay, I have one information for you. If C program is case sensitive, okay, case sensitive like this. Username we have set cool, okay, but we write with lowercase, okay. Password unique 143, but this program will output login is failed and home. Okay, so the conclusion is if we run when the conditions are met. So if the conditions are met, else will be run. Thank you.
Okay guys, so right now we're going to talk about the other subject, but still in this module we're going to talk about this depend on or switch case or case of, and what is actually the meaning of depend on and switch case. Actually you can assume by the meaning of the words itself, like depend stand for a thing depend on another thing, like A depend on B and so on. Like in this case, like an output is depend on an input, something like that. Like here we call it the output from the program is influenced by the input we put in before. Or simply we can say that A is replaced by B, or yeah, something like that. It's for case of. It's the definition of case of. So that's all, and maybe some of you guys already began to understand what is actually depend on and or switch case, but maybe some of you guys still didn't get about this, so I prepare a case for you to help you guys understand. Like here we have a case, we will read it together from the second line. Like we have a variable called A and it's integer, and we're going to move on to the fifth line. What do you want to eat today? Pick 1 to 7. So this program can help you to choose a menu for you to eat, like a random menu like that. And then we're going to the next line, print f, like your number. Like in this line the program needs an input from user, so the user input this thing, this which already declared before. And actually the user can input any numbers but still integer, but in this case the program only need numbers between 1 to 7. So what is actually happening when user input another numbers beside this? We're going to find out later. Moving on to the next line, switch A. A stand for integer, like any numbers. So if user input a number, like we can call it 7, the output is chicken salad, And then if the input is 4, the output is smoked salmon, something like that. And what is happening when user input 99? The output is this on default, like oops, it's empty. Why? Because 4 stand for smoked salmon, 7 stand for chicken salad, 99 stand for who, like no partner for 99. So oops, it's empty, like it's going on to the default. So that's all. And maybe some of you guys realize that there are a lot of break here, like here break, and then break again, and then break again. So it means the program will only do one task, like only these tasks, only oatmeal, only avocado toast, only chicken salad, only oops, it's empty, like that. Like not going on to the next line. If we don't put on the break on its choices, it will going on to the next line, we're going to the next line, and then so on until the computer finds the words, find the comment break, like this. We'll give it a try. We're going to give it a try. Like if we put 7 here, the output is always chicken salad, like it's the same here. Okay, and then we're going to give it another try, like 6 maybe, here avocado toast, and then 99. Oops, it's empty, because there's no partner for 99, only 1 to 7 has a partner. And then this is an example for the break. I put 1 here, and then it print off all of the tasks, like from salad wrap, spring roll, and then mixed berry smoothie, smoked salmon, oatmeal, until the computer find the words break here. Maybe we're going to give it another try, like this is 3. It will print from mixed berries, smoked salmon, until they find break here, oatmeal, like that. As simple as that. Okay, that's all from this subject. I hope you can understand about this module. Thank you for your attention. See you guys on the next change.